Have you ever thought about starting a business with AI? Does it sound like a far-off sci-fi concept or an achievable reality? Welcome to the dawn of a new era where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a game-changing tool that's transforming industries across the globe. From healthcare to finance, AI is making waves, and you can too. Well, today we are going to explore 9 steps to start a business with AI, no matter the industry. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 9 is all about understanding AI. You don't need a PhD in computer science, but a basic knowledge can go a long way. Grasping the principles of artificial intelligence is like learning a new language. It might seem intimidating at first, but with the right resources, it becomes second nature. There are countless online courses, webinars, podcasts, and articles that can help you wrap your head around this fascinating technology. Consider the success stories of AI implementation. Spotify's Discover Weekly, for example, uses AI to curate personalized playlists. Amazon's Alexa, on the other hand, has revolutionized voice recognition and home automation. These examples illustrate how a basic understanding of AI can unlock limitless opportunities. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person wielding it. With this foundation, you're ready to start brainstorming how AI can enhance your business. Step 8 is identifying opportunities. AI can help in countless ways, but you need to pinpoint where it can make the most impact. Picture a vast ocean. It's teeming with fish, but where should you cast your net? That's where opportunity identification comes in. In the retail industry, for instance, AI can streamline inventory management, predict trends, and personalize customer experiences. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnostics, patient monitoring, and research. In manufacturing, AI can optimize the production process, improve quality control, and reduce downtime. The key to identifying these opportunities is to understand the challenges and inefficiencies in your industry. Where are the bottlenecks? Where is time and money being wasted? Where are customers dissatisfied? These are your opportunities. AI is like a Swiss Army knife, offering a multitude of solutions. Your task is to identify the right tool for the job. Now that you've identified opportunities, it's time to start planning. Step 7 is developing a plan. You need a roadmap to guide your AI journey. Like an adventurer charting a course through unknown territories, your plan is your compass. It gives you direction, helps you anticipate challenges, and keeps you focused on your goal. Start by outlining your objectives. What problem are you solving? How does AI fit into the picture? Then consider your resources. What skills, tools, and finances do you have at your disposal? Next, think about your timeline. How long will it take to develop your AI solution? When do you hope to launch? Here's an example. Let's say you're creating an AI chatbot for customer service. Your objectives might include improving response times and customer satisfaction. You'll need a team with skills in AI programming and customer experience. Your timeline could span 6 months with regular check-ins to measure progress. With a plan in hand, you're ready to start building your AI team. Step 6 is building an AI team. You'll need a mix of skills to bring your AI vision to life. It's like creating a winning sports team where each player brings something unique to the game. Your AI team should be diverse, combining different areas of expertise. You'll need data scientists to analyze and interpret complex digital data, AI specialists who understand the technology's ins and outs, and project managers to ensure everything runs smoothly. Don't forget about the business strategists. They'll keep your AI goals aligned with your overall business strategy. Finding the right talent might seem daunting, but don't worry, there are many avenues to explore. Universities, AI meetups, and online platforms like LinkedIn are great places to start. Remember to look for individuals who aren't just technically proficient, but also curious, creative, and ready to take on challenges. With a team in place, it's time to start developing your AI solution. Step 5 is developing your AI solution. This is where your vision starts to take shape. To start, you'll need to translate your AI concept into a tangible model. This could be anything from a chatbot to help with customer service to a predictive algorithm for stock market trends. It's crucial to keep the end user in mind during this phase. Make sure that your AI solution isn't just innovative, but also user-friendly and beneficial to your target audience. When it comes to the development process, you might consider adopting agile principles. This approach allows for incremental progress and regular feedback, ensuring that your project stays on track and meets your objectives. Let's take the example of Netflix. The They developed an AI solution that recommends personalized content to viewers, which has been a major factor in their success. Now that you have your AI solution, it's time to validate it. Step 4 is validating your AI solution. You need to ensure it works as intended and delivers value. This is a crucial juncture in your AI business journey. It's like a dress rehearsal before the grand show, where you test every aspect of your solution to see if it performs as expected. Validation is the process of evaluating your AI solution against predefined criteria. It's about asking the right questions. Does the solution solve the problem it was designed for? Is it delivering the expected results? How does it fare against real-world scenarios? For example, if you've developed an AI solution for customer service, test it in a controlled environment with real customer queries. See how it responds, how accurately it resolves issues, and how satisfied your test customers are. Remember, validation is not just about finding flaws. It's about improving, refining, and fine-tuning your solution. So embrace this stage with an open mind. Once your solution is validated, it's time to prepare for launch. Step 3 is preparing for launch. This is a crucial phase to ensure your AI solution hits the ground running. Now, preparation is the key to success in any venture, but with AI, it's especially vital. You're not just launching a product, you're releasing an intelligent system into the wild. Consider the essential tasks: fine-tuning your AI's capabilities, addressing any last-minute bugs, and ensuring seamless integration with existing systems. Think about Tesla's autopilot feature. It wasn't just built and released, it underwent rigorous testing and tweaking before it was ready for the roads. And let's not forget about the marketing side of things. You need to build anticipation and excitement for your AI solution. Remember the buzz around IBM's Watson before it debuted on Jeopardy? That's the level of hype you're aiming for. So dot your I's, cross your T's, and do your final checks. With everything in place, it's time to launch your AI solution. Step 2 is launching your AI solution. This is the moment you've been working towards. Now let's get your creation out into the world. The launch process is a critical phase that can make or break your AI solution. It's essential to have a well-thought-out launch plan. This could include a soft launch to iron out any kinks before the big reveal, or a phased rollout to ease your solution into the market. A prime example of a successful launch is Tesla's autopilot. Elon Musk's team didn't just release it, they tested it extensively and then released it in stages. This ensured that when autopilot hit the market, it was ready to perform. With your solution launched, it's time for the final step: evaluation. The final step, step 1, is evaluating success. You need to measure the impact of your AI solution. Evaluation is critical to understanding the effectiveness of your AI and its actual contribution to your business. Think of it as your report card. It's a way to identify areas of improvement and celebrate victories, no matter how small. Now, how do you measure success? There are several ways. You could use key performance indicators or KPIs, customer feedback, or even the achievement of set goals. For instance, if your AI solution was to improve customer service, a decrease in customer complaints could indicate success. And there you have it, 9 steps to start a business with AI. It's a journey, but with these steps you're well on your way. Starting a business with AI might seem daunting, but remember, in the AI era, anything is possible for everybody. We've journeyed through 9 crucial steps, from understanding AI to evaluating success. Each step is a beacon lighting your path to an AI-driven business. It's your turn to harness this power, to stride towards a future where your vision is realized. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell. Thanks, and see you in the next video.